Do you know how to use the word do, does, and did properly in the sentence? Well, no worries. Hi, this is Ubed. You are watching Shiksha Digital, and today we are going to learn an interesting topic on how to use the word do, does, and did. Do, does, and did are all forms of verb to do. For simple present tense, we are going to use only do and does. The word do is an action verb commonly used to form negative and interrogative sentence. If you are talking about somebody like I, you, we, they, this, those, and etc., we are going to use the word do. Let's have some example. I do have problem with you. Do you go to school daily? John and Ria do not have any right to call in the meeting. Here, John and Ria, there are two persons, so we will consider they. So the sentence will be they don't have any right to call in the meeting. You have noticed how I have brought it to negative. Those who are watching this video till here, don't forget to click on that red subscribe button. Also set the notification bell to all so that you will get the notification of my videos first. Also like and share my video. Now, the uses of does. Mainly, does is used for third person and it is singular present of verb do. If we are talking about he, she, it, this, that, etc. or some name of a person, example Shweta, Rohit or a car, you are going to use the word does. Let's have some example. Rohit does go to coaching every day. She does her homework daily. Now, the negative of do and does are really very simple. For do, we use do not or in short don't. For does, we use does not or in short doesn't. Now, when we are talking about past events, we are going to use the word did. Indeed, the word like he, she, it, this, that, I, you, we, they, these, those, etc. can be used. In short, we can say that do and does are converted to the word did. What is did? Mainly it is used as a verb. Let's see some example. I did exercise last night. She did her assigned work. We did a good job. They did not like the movie. Now the negative form of did is didn't. So here the sentence will become they didn't like the movie. Now I think that you have understood clearly the uses of do, does and did. Thank you for watching this video. For more video, subscribe my channel Shiksha Digital. Also, if you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can write it in the comment box or you can email me. Link is in description.